guys, we have a special unboxing. Oh boy. Oh boy, do we have an unboxing for you. And Hudson's already in it. These are from our wonderful channel supporters, Danette and Anthony. And if you remember, we live streamed because they took us to Hildebrand's on Long Island. And we helped support this lovely mom and pop ice cream shop. Just said, oh, he's standing.
Yeah, he's standing.
Okay, because he knows this is from Danette and Anthony. Now, they gave this to him, but not on camera. These are presents from Danette and Anthony. And wait a minute, Hudson. Okay, I know. Sit. Okay.
Okay.
You can see what's in here. Look at this. For Easter, look at the nibbles.
He's nibbling. He's an Easter rabbit.
Oh, look at carrot. Look. Wait. Look. They crinkle. Look at the nibbles.
Look at the size of it.
Wait, is it as big as Hudson? Let's see. This is perfect that he's standing up. Let's see. It is. Look, it's just as tall as Hudson.
Just as tall as Hudson.
Oh, don't shake your ear.
Look, it has a squeaker.
It has lots of squeakers.
Oh, Huds.
Okay, so that's gift number 1. Okay, wait. We have more. We have more from Danette and Anthony.
Okay. Big carrot.
In the vein of Easter.
Oh no, there's more.
There's more. Look at this, guys.
Baby Yoda.
Yoda with Easter egg. Baby Yoda with Easter egg.
Oh my God, look at these. Oh, he loves it. You can hear, wait, shh. You can hear nipples.
Isn't it adorable?
Oh my God.
Oh,
he's
God.
getting in the bag.
He's going in the bag. There's one more thing, as if this wasn't enough. Huds, wait, sit.
Wait, Huds.
Sit. Get it out if you want. Okay, you want me to get it out.
Yeah, he's like, Mom, I can't get in there.
Pizza!
It's a pizza.
It's a pizza toy. It's a pizza pizza toy. So, you know what this means.
Huh?
You know what this means.
It's
This
the
means
coast
down
clear.
the hall.
It's the coast
Okay,
clear.
so let's pause it because I don't want Hudson to jump because he might hurt his ear. I'm gonna lift Hudson down, okay? So, all right, checking to see if
The coast is clear.
Oh,
Oh, he's shaking.
lots of shaking. Oh,
He's
God.
shaking.
Well, there's nothing we can do about it. Okay, we're ready. Okay. So, guys,
Here we go.
first,
Yeah, wait.
Baby Yoda with Easter egg.
Oh, that wasn't bad.
Oh, that was a great throw. Okay. Oh, he loves Baby Yoda with Easter egg.
Fantastic job, Danette and Anthony. Just so awesome. Look at he loves it. Oh, one more.
Look at, see how he has a little jacket on. Do you see?
Yeah, he has a little robe.
Yeah, his robe, the Yoda robe.
Yeah. Oh, Hudson
that was
loves
a good
it.
throw.
Yeah,
Good
he loves
throw.
it. Yeah, that was a fantastic throw. Oh, Danette and
Top
Anthony.
speed. Okay.
All right, now,
Okay.
put them all on the ground.
Now, no, wait a minute. I have an idea.
Okay.
Let's see which Hudson prefers. Pizza, or giant carrot. Can we throw them both at the same time?
Yes.
Why don't
Go
you,
ahead.
can you
I'll
throw
throw the
one and I'll
pizza.
throw the other?
All right, I'll throw the pizza, you throw the carrot.
Okay, here we go. One, on this count of 3.
Here,
1, 2, 3. Pizza or carrot? Oh. Would you think that Hudson would choose a carrot over the pizza? Oh my God, this is shocking. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Wait, pizza's coming in.
The jury's not out yet.
The pizza's coming in.
Which one is it?
Danette and Anthony. He doesn't know
Pizza,
what to do.
carrot. Pizza, carrot. Oh, this is a tough decision.
Go get him.
Hudson, which one? Come on, pizza or carrot? They're all waiting. They want to know which one you're choosing.
I like them both. He wants Yoda.
Baby Yoda?
Oh no, now all 3 are down there.
Oh, did you see the leap?
I saw the leap.
Did you see the leap?
I'm gonna zoom in.
It's Baby Yoda!
Oh.
Oh my God, wait a minute, I gotta get these. Oh my God, Danette, Anthony.
Fantastic
thank you
stuff.
so much. These are so sweet.
So
we can't
awesome.
Thank you enough, and we had such a great time at Hildebrands with you.
Yep.
If you haven't watched that video, you gotta watch that live stream. Look, Hudson's back.
Give him the carrot. All right, guys. Guys, thanks so much. Danette and Anthony, fantastic job.
Huds, they're waiting for you. Pizza!
He's gonna hit him on the bump.
Oh God!
Hud.
Oh God!
Hut. Hut.
Which one? Which one? Pizza, carrot.
I can't decide.
You still can't decide because we've taken the Yoda with the egg out of the equation. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on. Huds, come here. Which one? Which one? Pizza.
No, I don't
or
know.
Carrot?
Here.
Oh, he's so confused.
Oh, he loves them.
So Danette, Anthony, thank you so much. You guys are so awesome.
Fantastic
extra,
stuff.
Extra good gifts for Hudson.